Hey friends, welcome. We are doing lesson 3 for phonics in unit 6. Let's get busy. All right, so let's get it in present mode here. All right, lesson 3. Our learning targets. I can identify the sounds of different vowel spellings using my individual code chart. Remember, we don't have a code chart. I can sort words with the tricky C spelling, and I can draft a personal narrative, but we didn't do that because we write with wit and wisdom. So let's review the vowel spellings we've learned so far using our code charts. Remember, we don't do, excuse me, but we will go over some sounds. So we're going to review some vowel spellings that we've already learned. Okay, so let's look here. Let's start right now. We have the sound as in her, r as in car, or oi as in oil, or as in for, ow as in shout, as in look, or as in soon, and as in paw. The tricky spelling C, remember, we've learned that some spellings can be pronounced more than one way. These are called tricky spellings. So let's learn about the tricky spelling C. Remember, we have the K sound, sounds like a K, as in cat, cop, and cup. Then we also have the C sound, but it sounds like an S, like scent, pencil, and cell. Now remember, whenever you read a word with the C spelling that you do not already know, you should try pronouncing it with the K, as in cat. If that doesn't make sense, flip that sound and try pronouncing it as an S, as in scent. So tricky spelling C. Okay, there's 10 index cards here, and they all have that tricky spelling C. We need to sort them by the spellings, by K or S. So think about this. Could, close, center, fact, dancer, catch, bouncing, class, cell, and pencil. All right. So what I'd like for you to do is get your whiteboard out and your marker, or you can use a piece of paper if you want to. And I want you to sort these words by the K sound or the S sound. Okay? I'll give you a few minutes to do that. And then we're going to come back and we're going to go over it. All right. Welcome back. So let's go over these words. The first word, could. What's it going to go under? It's going to go under that C sound for the K, right? Great job. What about close? It's going to go under that C for the K sound, right? Center. Ooh, that's going to go under that S. What about fact? K. It's going to go under the K. What about dancer? It's going to go under the S. What about catch? It's going to go under the K. Bouncing, bouncing. It's going to go under the S, isn't it? What about class? It's going to go under that C also. What about cell? It's going to go under the S sound. And pencil, it's going to go under the S sound. Well, let's see if we're right. So if we sorted, this is what it should look like. Under the C, that sounds like a K, could be could, close, fact, catch, and class. The C that sounds like an S would be dancer, bouncing, cell, pencil, and center. Great job. So remember, we skip all this writing here. All right, so our learning targets, I can identify sounds of different vowel spellings using my code chart, but we didn't do that. We just went over the vowel sounds. I can sort words with the tricky C spelling. All right. So that's the end of this lesson also. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here. Bye.